back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys, I'm doing a review for ELFINHAIR. So here's the box that they sent. If you guys can see that, keen in. This is a pretty pink box, and I'm going to show you guys what all I have in this box. So I do have some straight hair bundles. This is a 20-inch. I have a 24-inch and also a 22-inch. And with that, they also sent me a frontal, and this frontal is an 18-inch frontal. So I'm gonna pull it out the bag so you guys can see what it looks like, the quality of the hair and everything. So here's the frontal. This is the frontal. It looks really full. This is a 13 by 4. From that side, it looked like it's already pre-plucked. So I'm gonna go in and just kind of customize it a little bit more. I'll show you guys more details on how I customize it as well. And I'm looking at the ends. Look like it doesn't have that many short pieces, so hopefully it does well. So looking at these bundles in the pack, I'm gonna go to our 20-inch first, and I'm gonna pull that one out. So here's our 20-inch, and it feels really good. Feels really good. Let's see. Got a couple of little short pieces in there, but hopefully it won't affect the style once we put it in. I don't know how much reach we'll get with this 20-inch, but I'm hoping it'll make the hair appear fuller. So we're just gonna have to see and play it by ear. Pink pouch. It looks like it has like a mirror tint to it. So I'm gonna open it up and let you guys see what all comes in this pouch. This is the instruction manual for ELFINHAIR, and it shows you the do's and the don'ts, how to sew in the wefts, shampoo the hair, condition the hair, what products to use on the hair, curling and dyeing, and how to measure the hair. So you won't have to worry about messing up the hair because it got instructions on how to do it. Also, they sent, look like some wig caps that we'll be able to use for our frontal piece. Also, this is a share for more incentive card, and it shows you the different textures that ELFINHAIR offers, as well as the 613 in color. I also have an edge brush, which is really cute. They also sent a comb for the ELFINHAIR brand and some cute lashes. Let's see. And oh, one more thing. Little ELFINHAIR pen. That is cute. So you guys, you're gonna see me work up this hair, and we're gonna judge what this hair is worth by what style I create out of it. So stay tuned. So we're gonna start off using this Grow It Back by Straight Request. This is an awesome product, y'all. I start using this on my clients with thinning hair because it does just what it says, grow it back. So if you're interested in using a product that will strengthen, not only strengthen, moisturize, and grow your hair back, this is the product to go to. You can find it on my website at www.chambulethairstudios.com. Again, this is a great product that I use on thinning hair. And the good thing about this oil is not oily. So you can put it on your scalp and it will absorb right into the scalp. So here I'm just setting my foundation with some good secure scalp braids. So I'm using the Got to Be Glued gel on her edges just to make sure that everything is slicked back into the braid, that is not protruding outside the hairlines. So here I'm showing you guys that I went ahead and bleached the knots as well as did some highlight pieces in the frontal. So now I have cut out my weaving net, and I also have my wig cap, and I'm using these as protective barriers to keep the glue from adhering directly to the hair. Even for the frontal area, I will have that area protected as well. So now I'm taking my Ghost Bond glue and I'm taking it around the hairline. Next, I will add my Eco Style gel to cover the rest of the cap. So when we get ready to glue down the tracks, everything will be secure. So off camera, I did glue down the back of the hair, and now you see me using my concealer to go across the cap as well as the frontal unit. So here I'm positioning my frontal unit in the right place, and I'm just going across the back with the needle and thread. I didn't want to glue it because I really want her to use this again if she wants to, and I want to make sure that it is reusable. Also, even though we don't have a full head of braids, we're using the weaving net as the base to sew the thread through. So now that the back is secure, we can lift it up and go ahead and start our gluing process. So I want to make sure that the glue is no bigger than 1 inch thick across the head. So you want to at least do this process 2 to 3 times just to make sure that it's secure. So once I have the front secure, I'm going around the ears to make sure that the ears are cut out so they will lay flat as well. And once you cut around the ears, you can go ahead and take your Ghost Bond glue or whatever glue that you use and re-secure that side. And I'm using a clear coat so it'll dry quickly. Now we're going to take our razor and go across the lace in the front. And you want to make sure that this edge is not a straight cut, but it's a jagged cut, so it doesn't appear that it's a lace going across your head. So there, we can pull it back. It's nice and secure. She could put it in a ponytail if she wants to. She can wear it up and however she style it, it's thoroughly attached from this point. So from here, I'm just going to tie it down so I can begin the melting phase, and I'm going to go ahead and start quick weaving my tracks. So you see I take the glue all the way across the thing and just kind of cut as I go. I know many of you guys think it's crazy for me to cut these tracks, but we wanted to do something quick, something fun, and something easy for this hair review. So I did color the bundles just to see if it'll take the color good. I did a 20 and 30 volume. The lighter color has the 30 volume and the 20 is the darker bundle. So as I began to track this hair, I noticed there was no shedding on the hair. I noticed that it took the color well. Now the ends did get a little frayed on the 30 volume one, but it still held together. I did do a deep condition on it as well. So it did really well. I'm quite impressed with this brand of hair. So from here, I'm going to start the styling process. Oh, and right, I think I'm cutting out the edges right now. I don't go too heavy on the edges. I just want it to look as natural as possible. But after I do this, I'm going to take my 2-inch barrel curlers and I'm going to do some big tight body curls. Oh, I almost forgot I did go in and trim it. Not taking too much off of a slight layer. Did a slight layer on it, long layers, and trim the ends more so. So here I'm using my Beyond the Zone heat protectant and my Stay Spritz by Straight Request, and I'm just going in making some really tight curls, and I'm pinning the curls as I go so it can hold the form. So down to the last curl, and we go and do her face. And once we do this, we're able to take the pins out of the curls and style it from here. So some of you guys know this is my big sister, my one and only sister. And it's been a while since we've been able to do a video together. She done had 2 boys since then, and she's finally found time to help me with my videos. So I thank God for bringing her back to a place where I could use her head to showcase my work. And as far as Elfin hair is concerned, I would definitely buy this hair again. And I think you guys, if you try it, you will love it. Oh, I like the way those highlights are popping through. And I'm combing out these curls, but you know, the hair held the curl really well. So again, I am impressed with that. And I just love the way it feels. It feels full. Those little bundles look like they were thin, but it really filled up the hair. We even had some pieces left. So I think that's a good deal. And again, those are what is it, 20, 22 and 24 inch bundles with the 18-inch frontal. So here I'm telling my sister how to roll the hair back away from the face, and evidently she couldn't get it. So so we'll just keep playing until she gets it, so she'll know how to wear all this hair, being that it's so long. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you, and you be blessed.